Hi everyone, and welcome to Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael, and here with me is Chef Kale. Today we're showing you how to make some amazing food, and I think drinks as well.
That's right.
Here at your home. So Chef, what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna make a 3-herb iced tea.
Okay, is this kind of like a sweet tea?
No, so I'm from Montana, and this is kind of like our northern twist on your sweet tea.
Gotcha, okay, all right.
So, and we're also making a chamomile syrup.
Oh, very nice. All right, how do we get started?
All right, so we have some mint. And you know, when you do stuff like this and you're gonna be straining it out, you don't really have to worry about picking every leaf.
Okay.
Rip it off, throw it in there,
That's
call
easy
it good,
enough,
right?
okay, all right.
Same with the basil, 'cause
Excellent.
you're just gonna strain it out anyway.
Okay.
Okay? And the basil is going crazy this year.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
All right.
Well, you can really smell that.
I know. And this is a good way to get rid of like some of your brews that you don't want to use.
As garnishes or in the food. Okay, gotcha.
Right.
Yep.
So it's a great way to get rid of some product in your garden.
Excellent.
So you get that going. You have some water boiling.
All right.
Okay. So all you're going to do is just throw it over there and just let it steep and come to room temperature.
Okay.
Go ahead and take the smell of that.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Right?
Yeah, that's amazing.
So with the rest of the water that's in our pot, we're going to add some sugar and just make a simple syrup.
Okay.
And let that dissolve. And you can use as much or as little chamomile, just regular old chamomile tea.
Right.
I like chamomile a lot, so I'm gonna use
6
8.
in there, 8. Okay. All right. Excellent.
All right. And you're just going to let that come to a boil, and then you're going to shut off the heat
Okay.
and let it cool and go to room temperature.
Now, can I
So-
ask you a question?
Of course.
I've never made like Southern sweet tea before, ever. I know it's crazy, but I never have.
Right.
Is this kind of the same process so far? Is
Absolutely
that
not.
Okay. No. Okay.
No,
All right.
hard no.
Okay.
Except for the syrup part a little bit, but not really.
All right. I know. I know
So
it's
then-
crazy, but I never made it before.
Right. All right, so why don't you go ahead and bring out the finished product.
Okay. Excellent.
And I love the color of this. I love it.
That is awesome. Look at that, beautiful.
Right?
That's a nice nice summer drink right
So
there.
now we're going to garnish it with some more basil and mint. So go ahead.
Okay.
Well, let's throw in the chamomile tea. So give me your finger.
Excellent.
See what that one tastes like.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Right. You
Oh
can
my
really
gosh,
taste the
that's so sweet
chamomile.
and nice.
And you can just sweeten it up a little bit, and then put this on the table, and they can sweeten up even
Oh my
more.
gosh, that is, you got to taste this. You got to try this.
So much fun.
Awesome. All right, thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit us online at thechefskitchen.com.
Absolutely.
See you next time. That looks absolutely
Great.
beautiful. I'm impressed. Wow, that's good stuff. That's so sweet. Very, very good. Love that.